Ready na? Magic. Action.
Saan pa niya ito? Rainbow.
Delicious.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Seated object is a mango. Shaded subject is You know what? I can do some magic.
Kung gagawin yung kamay mo para.
Oh! Pag ginawa ko to, tumanin ako, mag-iiba na siya. Ano gusto niyo maging?
Rubik's.
Para namang ang hirap yan. No, wanna be windy. Ako, gusto ko, ano?
Bing, Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube? Yeah. That's very hard for me, but I will try. I will try my best to do your request. I will just cover the mango, and if I remove the cover, it is so many explanations. Wow, bongga, details, details. Just, bumili na kayong tatlo. Just spare 3. Bumili na kayong tatlo. Gagawin ko na yung magic.
1, 2, 3. Come on, takpan mo.
Last up of the
Wow!
Hey, wait.
Wow!
Where's the ring bee?
Oh!
Where's the ring bee?
Where's the ring bee?
Lapit.
Wow!
The mango.
Wow!
Tantala.